box is 4.5 cube, tuned at 28. Me and my buddy Chris Graham built it. I got same as I've had, 320 amp Autotech alternator. Got battery delete up front. All runs of 1.0 gauge. Okay. I got the 30 amp hour lithium bank in the back. Okay. That's all right. And then I got the door. I just recently done the doors. They are 3 of the M6 or 6.7 ACs per door, and 2 of the Neo tweeters.
Okay. And you built this box, you said?
Me and my buddy Chris Graham.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
I just got done metering too.
Okay. Nice. Can I see in the trunk real quick too?
Ain't nothing changed since last year except for the 4-channel.
Okay. Nice. Are these strapped or gain matched?
Gain matched.
Okay.
1 per sub.
Okay. That's really good. Did your box come in through the trunk or through the from the pack cabin?
And through the back seat.
Okay. All right. So you said you just finished your SPL run.
Yep.
How'd you do?
149.7 at 33.
Oh my goodness, almost a 50 at that. Wow.
Yeah.
The 212s, man. So your name real quick. Go ahead, man.
Curtis Harris on Team Megahertz. They're down in Florida, but I'm the captain for North Carolina.
And that, do you know like port tuning, cubic space, and all of that?
4.5 cubes tuned at 28.
28. Okay. And a 8 inch port?
8 inch.
8
or
inch.
6 inch.
6 inch. You're tuned low, definitely. Nice. All right. Looks good. And you done some roof work or anything up here?
I got foam all in there.
Okay.
For now, I plan on ripping my sunroof out and just wooden it.
Okay. All right.
Tuned higher than what I thought I was.
Okay.
And since Ruckus, I did some box work and I lengthened my port and I sealed off a couple more little spots.
Okay, so it was leaking a little bit in the cabin?
Yeah, over there in the edges.
You did a really good job sealing the trunk, so you keep all the pressure in here, and you pretty much about to break that 150, sounds like.
Yeah,
so,
getting there.
Nice, congrats.
And I only clamped just under 4K.
Yep. All right, that's pretty good then. Under 4K trunk for 212s. What's going on, everybody? I'm JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed that full walkthrough. We got a Curtis's system. This was at the Sundown Audio 2023 show in the Hickory, North Carolina area. Be sure to give them a like and comment what you like about a system. Definitely like the unique style to have a dual 12-inch sub with an air port pretty much sealed off in the car trunk. And you don't really have back seats, but he has a nice false floor for if anybody did need to come sit back there. So these are 2200 watt amps. I was kind of curious about the specs of them. Went on the website. These are Cap 22s is the actual model. And the specs are 2200 watts RMS at 14.4 volts. And it's kind of always cool to see the different amplifiers staging and different options you can have with this. So really powerful lithium bank to support that power. And he broke right at a 150 dB pretty much after he gets everything fine-tuned. And these were the subs that he ran in here. Looks like they are rated at 2,400 watts RMS each. So pretty much a perfect combo for amp to sub. Maybe a little bit underpowered, but I think he said he was clamping right under 4,000 watts. And is really tuned low. He probably could have been better with an 8-inch air port, but he made it work with a 6-inch. And I like the way he used foam to kind of seal off around the trunk and all of the kill mat and dynamat to seal things off. And it actually helps a lot with SPL and less flex. So 4,400 watts on these 212s. He's going to play into the low 20 hertz range during this demo. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already for daily videos and enjoy. Yeah, I'd love to hear it. Nice. Give you it. What bandwidth are you about to play, you think?
25 to 32.
Okay. That's what it likes the most, you think?
Yeah, it definitely likes in between like the 28s.
Okay.
Starts the same. First we're both down a plate and somehow you go astray. Went from nothing to something. Back in the loving, it was us against the world. And now we just fucking. It's like I love you so much and now I just hate. Feeling stupid for all the time again. I wanted all the nothing for a single place in between. Like, baby, we believe in what you say that you never be. Like, it'll last forever, but now forever ain't this long. If it wasn't for you, I wouldn't be still singing this song. Different from the last, but now, everything is in your own place. All I see could be clear. You used to be thirsty for me, but now you wanna be set free. This is the world without you breathe, so baby, always to be.
All right, man. You have a good day.
You too.